What's up guys, welcome on part one of the boat build. As you see, we have the trailer all painted, sanded back, we've got the spare wheel on there, we've got new pulleys, new brake line. But anyway, this episode is going to show you how I've done it all from the beginning. So enough talk and let's just get straight into it. As those who know, I had a tinny, a 4.4 metre tinny. It was a good boat, but I needed something bigger, so I swapped it in for this bad boy. 5.5 metre half cab, deep hull, fiberglass I've gone, so better out in the seas, bit heavier, but it's going to be more not reliable. Just we're going to be able to hit different spots, hit islands. It's going to be better for the camera gear, it's going to just be better for the videos as well. So I hope you guys do enjoy. Meet you guys at the front. Today's job, we're going to tackle into the trailer. Got a few things to do on our list. As you see, the axle, it's a bit hard to see on camera, but the axle is on an angle a little bit. So whoever set it up before me didn't weld the brackets in the right spot, so the trailer's hanging out about a foot or two in the back of the car, which isn't ideal. So straightening that's one job we've got to do. The second job, come over here, is this whole section here. The reason why it's down like that is because, I'll probably show you later on if I remember, but with the boat, how it's got the inboard motor, it's got the prop and the propeller underneath the boat. That's all coming out because we are going to go an outboard, we're going to stick a pod on the back of the boat, so we don't need this anymore. Plus it hits everything on the roads. So that's coming out, and then if we got time, we're going to start grinding away all the paint. Got to take off all the rollers as well. And then hopefully we can prep it for paint, maybe get a coat on it today. Bring it this way if you want. Yeah. Because it's still behind the bar. So what we're doing is we're just adjusting the cable. So it turns out we don't have to cut any rods for the axle. It's all on mounts. So we just loosen the bolts. Silicon.
A bit of silicon's holding the whole boat together. Yeah.
I've already got an island in mine. So I found some new cable, so we're going to end up replacing that too. This trailer's going to be mint. Can't wait.
So yeah, Marty's tires on it as well. Easily taking off a lot of weight as well.
Yeah, exactly. But I'm going to try and find a crowbar because then we can shift. I think it'll move, man. I think it'll move without that cable there.
Yeah, actually, yeah.
No, no. Oh yeah, wait. Crikey. Tape measurement. 77. That's why I wanted a project. Should I go flush? Flush will look cool, eh?
Yeah.
Pretty good. We'll clean them up. back up. I'm gonna get the boat on, I don't want. I don't think we need to. You know what I mean?
Yeah, well we can do it where you see where there's that post that you've cut, that in the
Yeah.
middle. Turn it up more to me.
That's what I was looking at as well, because normal trailers, they're over there.
And if we have trouble, then I'll look for another trailer.
We're just going to pull out the trailer now. It is ready to be buffed and then paint. But what we're going to do, we're going to pull it out, give it a pressure wash because a lot of that paint is flaking. There's a bit of dirt on there. So to see where we've got to buff the most, we want to clean it out first.
Wide trailer. Man, it's rolling so good. Yeah, so straight. I love it.
Still not bought.
Do you know how to spell Bill? Because that's hard.
Yeah, I think that's done.
It's gonna pop off.
Yeah, you fix that.
Have the jet ski trailer? Can we have the pristine jet ski trailer?
I'm going to say we can get alloy trailer.
No, that's too cheap.
Give up. Done?
So we are back 1 week later because a week ago it was so hot and we just gave up. Got a few things more to do. So we're gonna mount that wheel. Gonna have a spare wheel as well on the trailer. So we're gonna mount that today. We've got to grind a bit more of the paint where it's a bit rough, grind some of the rust, and then give it a pressure wash. Hopefully that's it. And then give it a primer coat. Give it a coat of paint hopefully. Enough. Right there. Even if you want, put two, put one there, and then this can sit on that one. Yeah. Fit. That will go. Something. Get in there, boys, get in there. Nearly ready. Just got to tuck that little crack we got at the back there. Got to put a flat bar there with bolts sticking up for that spare wheel to go on. And then while he's doing that, a little bit more sanding and that's it. We're going to pressure wash it, let it dry, and then we're going to take it out the back and give it a spray. If it's upside down like that, then all you have to do is big enough for that.
Yeah, you're good.
So we've let the trailer dry and now we're painting stage. We've given it half a coat so far. We're going to give it the first coat, we're going to let that dry. I'm painting it a nice grey. So it's beautiful, it's a rust guard as well. Help because we are going to have it in the salt water a lot, so it's going to protect it. It looks clean. Anyway, let's get into it. We ended up doing a second coat on it and a half, so 2.5 coats. Got all the rollers back on, got the guards back on, and the trailer is done. So we're going to get some B-rolls of that.
coming, keep coming.
No, that's alright.
Man, that's coming on the fins. Yeah, that's what I mean. How you doing?
Yeah.
Spare tyre work. Just can't get it out. Oh, you're on. Yeah, we're on. That went smoother than I thought. Woohoo! Yeah, look. Here's what I'll do. I'll just back it out a bit if I need it. Yeah. Right, at least we got it on there, you know? That's clean.
That looks sick.
Man, that looks good with the white trailer.
Yeah, knew it.
Oh, we man.
Alright, that's stress over.
That's sick.
Pick that up as well to look good.
Do that. That means now we can go on the boat if it's safe.
Yeah.
Haven't looked in here for a while.
Yeah, wicked, man.
Sweet as, you know what that means, guys? We're going to start the boat build soon. Coming up video, so stay tuned. If you do like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, join the family. Let's get this boat on the water soon. Another couple months. Yoo!